a minute. I want to get a view inside the car.
Be careful, Jesse.
Yeah, I know.
I'm serious.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Passenger seats.
No. Something even better.
A wall.
Doritos. I'm being serious. There's a whole bag of Doritos in here.
Oh my God.
Supposed to be Doritos, Ruffles, Cheetos.
Now, they have an NC St. L diesel here, and it's been freshly painted. Now, some of these would have been on early streamliners, for instance, like this one. Well, it's not.
This is all connected. And we got something leaking over here.
It's not essentially oil. They might just be bearing oil, not oil for, like, moving something. Wait a minute. Hold it. Stop.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's this.
Okay. Everyone's running. Wait a minute.
You got on the wrong train, fool.
Oh, no, it is actually this, too. Oh, look at ice cream, milk, meat. That smells bad.
They did it to trick the kiddies. Oh, look at these air conditioners.
Wow, they are definitely ancient. Oh, look at this. Right up on here.
That would have been something else.
That probably was a small fan.
Now here is ancient St. L number 710. 710. This would have been 710. And this is, I think, another GP9.
710.
And this sucker is beautiful. It was recently repainted. See how good it looks?
Oh, wow.
And all their diesels still run, except for the faded ones.
Unfortunately, you can see up here that
they'll patch that up.
Yeah.
They have a shop that I was hoping we can tour.
Yeah, let's take a look at the engine here. Look at, I love that it's repainted and everything. We got the little brake lines.
I think those are actually electrical lines. Y'all let us know in the comments of each of our videos about this, because I really don't know.
A good idea. Fuel line.
Yeah, that's to put fuel into the engine.
Yep, fuel cap.
These would be springs. This would help you go over rough track. And these would have been.
These are springs here.
Yeah, they had them on steam locomotives. Very, very durable.
Yeah.
Watch your step. You're on a road bed. And here's the switches. And
that right there. That is a.
they had another engine numbered tag 80. I don't know where that's at. We might have to go over the other way, because there is a bit of rolling stock here. And so, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm not going to film. I'm basically going to film until the battery on this camera dies. So I'm employing the tactic I used in Alaska, pretty much. I filmed until the battery dies. This is a rear observation car that you could stand out on this balcony here.
Yeah, it's weird that they have that. Maybe the cars were set up so the engine was probably...
Well, they don't really have any order as to what car goes where anymore now on these excursions. I'll say this.
Springs and these heavy duty. These are heavy duty.
Yeah. I'm sorry, man. The heat's starting to get to me. So they're keeping these cars climate controlled on the inside. That way there's no mildew and stuff that builds up in them.
Yeah, I can see it in the someone has decided to take a big shot and just gone right down the side of it, it looks like.
Yeah.
Which is unfortunate.
And now, if you've seen the 1993 movie The Fugitive, that's one of the engines that was wrecked in it, a GP30. The same type of engine.
I wish they had a U-boat here. Oh, we got a plane.
Watch this. Where is he?
Right there.
Look through my camera, look through my camera.
Wow, that's a nice view. Come on, let's see if I can...
Shout out to Ben, because the plane is gone.
Yep, I got a picture. My long lens, I can take pictures of planes at cruising altitude. I think I showed you some pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are intense. You can get some insane detail with it. Great for train spy. You brought your tripod, right?
Yeah, but I was only using it to film the train coming into the depot. I wasn't going to use it on the actual train ride.
Ah.
They might have 4501 and 610 at the shops.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, I think there was another row of cars here we didn't look at. We looked at all these.
These ones. I don't know if we didn't look at this one.
Let's go on this side till we have more room.
Yeah, that one gets switched between those.
Yeah. Finally, we got a breeze. They had another steam locomotive here. They had two others, a 440 and another one, but I don't know where they're at. They might be over at the back shop being cosmetically restored. That might explain why they're not here.
Yeah. Look at that train. That is
That is a luggage rack. That would have hauled your...
Oh, it's a rack so it doesn't go on the rails.
No. What they'd do, they'd have these out on the station platform, so when people came with their carry-on luggage, like all their bags, they would put them on these and push them to the train's baggage car, and that's where they would be loaded onto the train. I've seen these at multiple...
Very nicely restored, I can tell you that, if it hasn't been already.
Yeah, but they have these at a lot of small town railroad stations that have been preserved. Be careful.
I'm good. Whoa, that caught me off guard.
Of course it did. Here. So yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to swap batteries, and I will see you guys on the train and at the back shop. At least your camera has a long-lasting battery.
Well, mine lasts. What did it take?
Someone done called it all.
No, this is actually the third time I've slipped on gravel this vacation. And I think it may be because of my shoes. Because I've never done that before.
You should get a new pair of New Balances that are custom fit. They work well and they're worth your money.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Ah, oops, sorry. It's fine, it's right here by the station. Here. I'm going to end my video so I can let my camera cool down, y'all. So I will see you all later. Hasta la vista, baby.